Personally, I like to have manual control over how much I'm spending, how much I'm withdrawing. I'm going to go here to the crypto tool, and if you want to get a hold of this document, you can go into the course outline, and I'll leave a link in the description of the lesson of where you can download this from. So we basically have two sections here. There's investment, which is money that you're putting into Binance, and there's bank withdrawal, which is money that you're taking out of Binance. So let's go through each column. So in this column, we have the exchange rate that we buy at, okay? And then here is the SGD amount. This is the Singapore dollar amount. And this is how much of the currency that I'm buying on Binance. It's either USDT or BUSD. I use BUSD. And then the date that the purchase has been made, from who, and any special remarks that I want to put for myself. On this side, it's a very similar kind of equation. When I'm selling, what's the exchange rate I'm selling at? How much Singapore dollar is that? USDT, the date that it's sold. And the currency is whether it's USDT or BUSD. Any special remarks? Now the total over here is just money withdrawn to the bank, okay? The total over here is the addition of all of this. So if I check the formula, it's the sum of all of these cells, and I get that amount. Similar thing over here. It's the sum of all of these cells here below. Now, on this side, though, this is the sum of all these cells minus this cell over here, the total here. So this will be 140 Singapore dollars minus 67.20, which is equal to 72.80. Over here, this is the total of this, subtracting this number, which is the total of this. So what I've got here is just the total investment that I have in Binance. Now you can go ahead and change these numbers as you wish. I've just left an example over here. So every time I put in money into Binance, I'll come here to my manual tool, and I will actually just type in what the amount I put in was. And now the SGD is automatically generated, and this is the exchange rate. So basically, I get this number over here because this is equal to this multiplied by this number here. So this is how I keep track of how much money is going in and how much is going out. Now you can also do this on Binance. I prefer to have the manual tool like this because it's easier for me to understand and to be more conscious about what I'm spending and what I'm taking out. If you want to do it here, you can go to the orders section, and because I'm doing P2P orders, I go to P2P order. And over here, it's going to tell me all of the money that I've put in. It's going to tell me all of the money that I've sold. And it tells the status as well. So I've tried an attempt to buy 10 BUSD, but I canceled the order. It tells me who I've bought it from. I can see the transaction detail. And it'll give the information about what has happened. So I generally don't go here. I just go straight to my tool here and I input the details manually myself. Feel free to use whatever method is easiest and best for you. If you want to learn more about trading crypto, I'll leave a link in the description.